guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, gonna do something a little different. We're gonna do something with the Mustang, and some of you guys are gonna probably think, what? But something that was bothering me for a little bit, and it kept eating at me. I kept thinking about it, kept thinking about it, and I finally just said screw it, and I got rid of the GT500 bumper. I don't know what it was. I don't know if it was because it looks good on other cars. I just felt it was kind of just drowning out in the black, and you really couldn't see the features of it. And it just felt like, why bother if it doesn't really stand out? So, and I don't know, it was kind of a pain in the butt. The paint, I was having issues with the paint, and with that tire almost blowing out, I had issues on the other side. So I'm like, I don't even want to mess with it no more. So some guy was on a local Facebook page was looking for one, and I said, hey, you want to get mine? And he came and picked it up 3 days later. So that's where we are on this one, and I'm gonna do maybe something a little different. I haven't seen too much of this, and that's one thing about, I'll tell you that's one thing about GT500 bumper. Jesus Christ, it's like every other Mustang has bought it. It's like it's all over the place. So it's like every other IG picture you see of a Mustang is like, you know, GT500 bumper. So I'm like, nah, it's getting too played out. And so I'm gonna do something a little different. I'm actually going back to the stock bumper. Yes, because I keep my crap. I don't sell my stuff. I'm a little bit of a hoarder when it comes to parts. I think I still have crap from my wife's old EcoBoost, and that's just the way I am. And I honestly probably need to get rid of some crap. But anyways, I'm going to go back with the stock bumper. I'm gonna change out the grill. I'm gonna do something else when it comes to with a vinyl, and we'll finish this video out probably tomorrow when it's totally done. But as you can see, it's all gone. So that hole, I had to cut that out with the GT350 bumper because the ProCharger intercooler is a lot taller. So, but I haven't had no issues with it. I feel like buying another belly pan. These things are kind of expensive, and it still works. Other than that hole, it doesn't really bother anything. So that's where we're at, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and install the stock bumper back on. Some of you guys might like it, some of you won't. Everybody knows I do things a little bit different, but this is not gonna be too different. It's maybe a little more back to how I started. So there it is, guys. So we'll check back with you tomorrow, and I hope you like it. All right, guys, so I got the car done, and I'm really excited how it turned out. Really excited how it turned out. And some of you guys might like it, some of you guys won't, but I decided to just kind of go back to how I started and bring back maybe a look or not a look, just something different. Not really different, but I guess something more to my liking. Like I said, I just wasn't feeling the GT500 bumper, and I kind of just wanted the car to look more just for what it is, just a Mustang, nothing else. So I hope you guys like it, and if you do, let me know in the comments, and if you don't, let me know in the comments. Either way, give me a like and subscribe. We got something big coming. But anyways, guys, here it is.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that say stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up. Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up. Look, straight from the mud like Ruby. Straight to the stage, they love me. I understand they hungry, but please don't hate, that's ugly. I've been sliding, shaking, moving, I've been popping in my seat.
There's the new look of the car. If you could see, I went back to the stock bumper, and I just put a big lip on it, a big lip spoiler or whatever, and obviously you can see the grill. So I've been liking this grill for a while. I've seen it online and stuff, and I said, if I'm going to do this, I'm going to put this grill, and I did. I ordered it. Car sat for almost 9 days waiting for everything to come in, and obviously the big red stripe. Okay. And really happy with this color. This color actually matches the inside of my car with on the dash. It's the same vinyl. I was lucky enough, Nelson, the guy who sold me the the dash kits and the steering wheel. He had about 6 or 7 feet left of the vinyl, and I've had it for God knows how long, 3 or 4 months, and he gave it to me, and I was really happy with it. And I had my buddy Tim at Parker Wraps. He cut it for me, and he did a great job. He did an awesome job, and I was lucky enough to get him to do it in a relatively quick amount of time, and I'm really happy with the look. Stand back. Yeah. Yep, as you see, just a lip spoiler. And I went all the way around the car. Saw, comes back. I didn't want to do the wing. I just felt like it looks weird when it's on the wing. I went all the way down with it, to the roof. And it's kind of just a dark, muggy day today. But when this thing hits the sun, this wrap, it's got like a little sparkle to it, and it's really nice. So there it is, guys. I hope you guys like it. If you did, let me know. If you don't, let me know also. And just a simple, kind of subtle, going back kind of change. And I'm really happy with it. Probably gonna leave the car alone for a little bit, but I know how I am. But really happy. The car's running fine. The car looks good. The car's just good right now. All right, guys. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, let me know. And if you like the look, let me know. If you don't, let me know also. So I hope you guys stay safe out there. See you guys in the next one.
I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up.